South India's #1 travel brand. You know you are special when you're with GT Holidays.
एटलीस्ट टॉप 5 या फाइनलिस्ट थी हमारी लड़की, यू नो, घर की लड़की तमिलनाडु. I'll do justice to their love. People were like shocked, unfair, which I don't think it was unfair, but still, Karan has, how do I say, explained about me in the show very well. He told me this girl is so childlike when it comes to emotions. When she's happy, she shows Ladaku. When she, how does a child behave? Then she doesn't carry it in heart. To be very honest, initially, no, he came across as a guy who carries a lot of attitude and with a very superiority complex. After a point in time, I got to know that this is actually a disease that he has, OCD, which is, though I sit with Karan, though yes, he is a good friend, but that very close, who I let close to my heart, I stopped with Chum and Baku, because I know I give them the power to hurt me. I think as a human being, I would say Vivian, though I've spent least time with him, but I've seen him from Fano, so I know him. Jab nominations mein, Avinash nominated him, and he really gives his fullest for Avinash and Isha. And Isha also, in fact, ran with his photo but froze at a point. Karan, somewhere down the loop, which I don't know whether it's shown or that argument of ours was shown or not. It happened just the day before I left.
Was it true that Bigg Boss used to call? Is it true that Bigg Boss used to call Karan to the confession room?
I think Bigg Boss and his friends spoke to him. After that, there was a totally different Karan that we saw.
In what way?
In what way? As in, he was never opinionated. Even if his friend would backstab him multiple times, like what Shilpa ma'am did, he was okay. I told her that he doesn't pass that vibe at all, but I bought the fact that maybe an angle he's trying to tell you to create an angle for the show, because I call him Nautanka. So much drama for the show, and he says, I want to be an entertainer. So my relationship with my mom has been so pure. Like my mom, I don't think I can ever get to her level of dedication. Ever. So I gave it that time and energy to get back into media after so many years, be it the Tamil show or Bigg Boss. And she's convinced.
Well, in a world that is spearheaded by negativity, it takes a lot to actually be positive, pure, and just happy. And I think one person who celebrates all those elements was inside the Bigg Boss 18 house till yesterday. And I'm very sad that she's out of the house, but I'm also happy that I'm getting to talk to her. Shrutika Arjun joins me for a conversation only on Galata India, which is also her home turf.
Yes.
Can I just call
very
it
much, very much. Nayan, in fact, I am more than glad to meet you. I want to say this on camera, that I am a big fan of you.
How sweet.
Big fan. And there were days when I used to watch you and tell my husband, tell Arjun, that one day when I sit opposite him and when he questions me, I'll know that I've grown to that thing where, I'm such a big fan of you, and there's nothing wrong in saying that, appreciating someone's work, there's nothing wrong. You don't get down anywhere. It's okay. It's okay to appreciate people's work when they're so good.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
your fan. I'm your fan. Today you're the celebrity.
No. But are you happy? Are you upset that you were this close? Honestly, can I tell you something? When you were on the show, of course, I'll be very, very honest that there are moments that I couldn't follow it up like every other season. But when I saw you on the show in the first few episodes and the first few weeks, I knew that this person has a spark. And this person is funny. This person is that entertainment, will add that entertainment value to the show. And you did. And everybody was expecting that you will eventually make it till the finale. Did that upset you at all?
It definitely upsetted me. When I was in the show, when my name was called out, even my housemates were shocked. And to be very honest with you, even I was shocked. I didn't expect it at all. I thought I'll make it till the finals because I gave my heart and soul and I forgot about the lights, camera and everything. It was just me being me. So I thought if it's a personality show, then I've been true to my personality. So, and more so the support that I've got from Tamil Nadu, and you won't believe, Tamil Nadu audience watch Tamil Bigg Boss. Same day start, same day it ends. But there's so many people. When Eden came to the house, when Arjun also told me, I thought, ठीक है, मुझे console करने के लिए वो बोल रहा है. But when Eden told me the same thing, कि Shrutika, a lot of people are started watching Hindi Bigg Boss. तेरी वजह से, they're rooting for you. So I was like, at least top 5 या finalist थी हमारी लड़की, घर की लड़की तमिलनाडु. I'll do justice to their love. So I was really wanting that. and I was disappointed when my name came there. But bahar aake, when I opened, I'm waiting to open the phone and see social media after 3 months. So when I saw so many comments saying that, people were like shocked, unfair, which I don't think it was unfair, but still, what their perspective. And comments like we were 100% amongst the girls, this girl was the strongest, or we wanted to see her
Yeah.
top 5. Such comments के लिए I felt really trophy. मैं यही चाहती थी ना, people's love, ये मेरे लिए trophy.
Yeah.
And can you see any disappointment on my face? I'm super excited.
You're very happy.
I'm very
You're a happy child. I feel like you have that happiness, you have that sense of positivity. It takes a lot to be a pure soul. Sometimes I feel that this show actually tests a lot of purity in people, but you
Very
actually
much.
were
Aw.
very, very, very good. And I must
Thank
say
you.
that.
Thank you so much. I've also been Ladaku, okay?
Yeah, you have been. I'm gonna come to that. You know, a lot of people actually feel that, oh, she's funny, so she'll not take stands. You've taken stands with some of the most powerful voices inside the house, be it men or women. There was a point where I saw that you had a fight with Vivian in the beginning with coffee and with all
Mug,
of that.
exactly.
Yeah, with the mug. And then towards the end, you've also taken stands against Karan.
Correct.
I just recently saw where it was talking about you're being on the fence or you speaking on the fence,
Yeah,
and you
yeah.
actually corrected and said that I think you need to Google and you need to
Yeah.
understand English. That talking on the fence actually means that when you don't have an opinion at all, I'm
Exactly.
sharing my opinion.
Correct, yeah.
You've done that.
Yeah.
Have you always been like this?
I have always been like this. In fact, Arjun told me, when I told Arjun I'm going to Big Boss, okay, तो 30 days minimum I want to survive, Arjun, ताकि लोगों को पता चले कि श्रुतिका जैसी एक लड़की है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे I've never done any काम.
Yeah.
तो he said 30 days, जो 15 दिन तो रह के, हाँ, we'll see. Okay, so he knows how opinionated I am, how I am, and I'm just Karan. In fact, more than Arjun, Karan has how do I say, explained about me in the show very well, which I was a little, I didn't expect it out of Karan.
Yeah.
So he told me, this girl is so childlike when it comes to emotions. So Avinash said, what childlike? Don't you see how she fights? So Karan told Avinash, childlike as in happy. When she's happy, she shows. Ladaku, how does a child behave? Then she doesn't carry it in heart. Masti, rona, emotions.
Same.
Really?
A little different now, but I
Yeah.
was the same maybe 3 years
You
ago.
will
so.
like that only now, and don't change for anyone. Okay.
World around actually. Sometimes do you feel like, I know everybody's gonna ask you Big Boss questions, but I wanted to ask you that you have that sense of purity, like you said. But sometimes do you feel like because you're always smiling, you're always happy, you have that positive vibe, people expect you to only be happy. People have that notion that, oh, she has to be this way only, or maybe she's gonna be a little blondish and maybe she'll not have a mind of her own. Have you ever got that?
I have actually, in the house, a few people thought like that about me. They were like, oh, okay, so she has this side also to herself. I think Isha or Alice, I don't know. I remember them saying that, is this really she, Shrutika, or is that Shrutika? What is Shrutika? But the audience here, the Tamil audience know me because they've seen me on another reality show.
Yeah.
But the Hindi audience don't know me. So as and when Arjun told me, as and when they saw you, they're like, after 30 days, this is her only, her being her true self. And when I started being opinionated after that humorous and funny side of mine, which is also there, I thought, theek hai, they won't receive it in a positive way. But I'm so glad that majority of them said, she's strong, after seeing that opinionated side of me. So I'm so glad that people are open, welcoming it with open arms, and they're like, she's strong.
No, I just like the fact that you've had your friendships in the house, but you have sometimes actually questioned your friends and gone and supported people who basically are from the other camp also, like how we have two groups.
Yeah.
To support and be fair, which is something that I enjoyed. Like Karan is a friend of yours,
Exactly.
right?
I
But you
sit more with them.
questioned Karan when he was having that conversation with Avinash very recently.
Yeah. So I have done that with all my friends, even outside.
Yeah.
And most of us have fought over it a lot of times. And I'm a person who doesn't hold on to ego, okay? So it's okay when they come to me, I'm like, it's okay, it's done, yeah. I asked you, you told me, and it's over. Or sometimes if they take too long to come to me, I don't mind going to them. Yeah, like, it's okay, yaar, chhod na. So I'm a person like that. I like to be in that happy zone, and I am not for maybe selfishly for myself, for my inner peace, no, ताकि मैं सुकून से सो सकती हूँ. So there's certain people, and that is why even though I sit with Karan, though yes he is a good friend, but that very close, who I let close to my heart, I stopped with Chum and Bagu,
Yeah.
because I know I give them the power to hurt me. You know, so
But you feel that Karan never hurt you.
Karan did, but you know, he didn't get into that zone where Chum and Bagu are.
Yeah.
He was a good friend where he hurt me.
But they
and-
are close friends.
Yeah. You hurt me, you ask me something, I'll hurt you back, I'll ask you something, done, over, sorted. Tomorrow you come talk to me well, I'll also talk to you well.
Yeah.
But you know, that kind of feeling where you get into an emotional thing is with someone who's more closer.
But something that you know, initially when you had a fight with Vivian, and you never really
Yeah.
liked each other in the
Yeah.
beginning, right? What has changed? Why do you like now? I saw in an interview you called
Yeah.
him a gentleman, and
Yeah.
you know you were saying nice things about him.
Yeah.
Between Vivian and Karan, what are the differences? What do you like the most about them? What do you not like? And who do you think somebody you like more?
I have sat more with Karan, but this opinion about Vivian, to be very honest, initially, no, he came across as a guy who carries a lot of attitude and with a very superiority complex. You know, like I am this. I've worked for so many years, and hey, don't touch this, don't touch that. But after a point in time, I got to know that this is actually a disease that he has, OCD, which is called typically he's suffering of some ailment.
He has OCD.
And yeah, and over a point in time, he himself said and accepted, see, I have this problem. So that is where he comes from. But you know, he has a very soft side to himself. However bad an argument has been, not only with me, with anyone you take it, even Chahat, I think, has annoyed him the most. He's never gone personal. He's never gone below the belt. Personal as in बाहर की
personal
बातें,
attack, yeah.
बाहर की बातें करना, personal बाहर की चीजें बोलना, all that he's never done. And he's never gone, you know, no gali wali. I've never heard any gali wali from Vivian. So he's been that perfect gentleman, though I haven't sat with him. I think the only time he's got a little aggressive is this task with Chum. Okay, where he went. And that too because he was under that pressure situation where for the last 2 weeks at her weekend ke war pe, he's been told that he's not playing the game, he's given up, or you know,
Yeah.
he's not contributing to the show. So anyone at that situation during the finale will want to give their best, which doesn't justify his action. And still he took a call once he got selected to the TTF that I'm not taking this up because I was bad on her and let her take it. So that was again, that showed the nice side of Vivian. And जब भी मेरा लड़ाई किसी और के साथ होता है ना, and with all swollen eyes and all of that, and I'm sitting, at that point in time, even Karan doesn't come and ask me, even when he was not involved in the fight, it was between me and Chum. But Vivian came and said, oh, it's so nice. I was like, Vivian, I'm not in for this now, okay? I just cried all night. Coffee chahiye? That's why I was like, okay.
He's a sweet person.
Yeah.
His emotions are very subdued, is what I feel like. There's
Yeah.
a media round happening where I have decided
Yeah.
not to go.
Why you should go? I feel you should be there.
No. But if I would have been, I would have told Vivian this for sure, that I feel like your judgment comes from the fact that you're very boisterous and you're very bubbly. But his judgment comes from the fact that he's very quiet. So I have realized that people don't like somebody who talks a lot also and somebody who doesn't talk much also.
Yeah.
So I don't know what people want somebody to be. Do you sometimes feel that kind of confusion? And about Karan, you didn't say.
Yeah, Karan, yeah. So I do have this confusion, but you know, confusion as to people like those kind of people or people like me who talk a lot, but I've never confused as in to change my personality for anyone. I am me, it's okay.
Which is great.
Yeah, I mean, I'll just try to it's my work, and when it comes to my work, I'll try to entertain you all. And then, you know, I get that soft spot in your heart. That's all. But मैं अपने आप को कैसे बदल सकती हूँ?
Absolutely. बदलने की जरूरत भी नहीं है.
Yeah, so if there is something that's really toxic, or you know, so something that would harm me myself, then there is a point in, you know, thinking about changing that aspect.
Yeah.
But
what about Karan? Like, how do you feel like? What is it that you like about Karan that you don't like about?
see, Karan and me started sitting together initially because he was the first person I would never forget who broke that ice and made me feel like a part of this industry, wherein I'm coming from a totally different background or a state or an industry. So he was the one who said, come sit, let's talk. And then, so once I started opening up, and it became easier for me to open up with everyone. So he was the one who gave me that importance, which I'll never forget. And then after that, due to some situation, I noticed that I'm sitting with Karan more so because of Chum. Okay, so you get to sit in a group, and it's not necessary अगर आप एक group में हो, even you must be a part of so many
Absolutely.
groups, social gatherings. Doesn't mean that you have to be best friends of everyone in that group.
Thank you for saying this.
No.
I'm not.
No,
But people should
same,
understand.
Yeah. So it means one or two people will be your closest. Others you like. Doesn't mean you don't like them, but needn't
Friendly.
be your closest.
There's a difference
Friendly.
between being friendly and being friends. is
I
what
should say
always
thank
say.
you now. Yeah. So I'm on that friendly thing with him. But at the same time, when we sit together, I can't ignore the fact that if something has gone wrong, I can't ignore and not question.
Yeah.
I would like to. But every time, the nice thing about Karan is he's explained, thought that, okay, I should give her an explanation because she sits along
Yeah.
with me, which he doesn't do with the others most of the time. So he's like, it's okay, I'll give you an explanation. And I feel with Shilpa ma'am's equation with him, I feel he's a very forgiving person. He forgives. But that also is taken for granted.
Yeah.
And when it's taken for granted, I feel you should voice your opinion.
Yeah.
So there only now, post I think the last 2-3 weeks, he started doing that. So there are a lot of times when I keep questioning his thing also. And you know, a lot of times in the show, he's told me, now it's your time. Now it's not your time. Now it's her time to talk. Now, and he's into direction and all of that. So I think somewhere I feel like, you know, I'm under lights, camera, action. And I don't, yeah. So I'm like, don't do that. Let me, this is a reality show, let me just be myself. So it's like that. So hamesha we get into this Tom and Jerry argument, but it
You
also
know, the
gets
fight right now looks, it's like a tussle between Vivian and Karan,
Karan, yeah.
and also Avinash in a
Yeah.
lot of ways, because I feel all three of them
Yeah.
have contributed like that. But who, if you had to rank them as human beings, having stayed with them, not as an audience, because we still watch a 1 hour edited show. You have stayed with them 24 hours,
Yeah,
right? So I want to know who do you think is the best human being? And then maybe the second one. And
I think as a human being, I would say Vivian, though I've spent least time with him, but I've seen him from Fano, so I know him. He is, for example, jab nominations mein, Avinash nominated him, and he really gives his fullest for Avinash and Isha. And Isha also, in fact, ran with his photo but froze at a point, which I feel was done
Planned.
planned, yeah. He still, and his wife came, spoke, everyone spoke, and then at least that should influence you in a way, but he still stuck to his guns. He confided in them, but still he thought he should stay.
As a friend.
As a friend. So I really liked all that in him, and I feel that he's always been a gentleman, be it with Chahat or be it with me or anyone, any fight, you'll see that no gali wali. He's not gone below the belt. He's not done any personal attack. So and he's very soft.
Yeah.
Even if you say too much, max that he can say is, oh. That's all. He won't go beyond that. So I like him for the person he is, and I love it. I so love it that he respects his wife so much.
Yeah.
Because Arjun is exactly like that. So Arjun was telling me when he was speaking to his wife in the confession room, his head was just like that. He didn't talk back a word. He didn't justify himself. And whatever she said, he took it like, this girl can only think the best for me, so I will take everything that she's saying.
Yeah.
You know, so that kind, I've seen that with Arjun. And I am also like that with Arjun. If he has to just come and tell me something, I needn't see or do it. I'll blindly follow whatever. I mean,
How sweet.
I'll believe what he's saying. And then I'll do it my way.
But among Karan and Avinash, then?
Karan and Avinash, I think I'll have a soft spot for Karan because he, you know, whenever we've had nasty fights, still end of the day, he'll come and he'll do, toing, he'll do that. I'm like, let me be angry with you. I'm angry with you. He's like, toing. I was like, don't do that. So that's soft spot for Karan. But somewhere I feel Avinash has been very clear in his game.
Yeah.
Like he says, I'm playing only for myself. Even if it's Isha, I'm playing for myself. He's been clear on that thing. Karan, somewhere down the loop, which I don't know whether it's shown or that argument of ours was shown or not. It happened just the day before I left when he was playing for Chum. So I thought he would be okay even if Chum took away the trophy, which is fine. No, when you love someone so much.
Like you said, you will give it away.
Yeah, like I said, I'll give it away. And it's also fine to play for yourself over her because you've left your family and come. So it's fine. But what is in your heart, show that in the game. Why would you play for her and then say, I won the trophy? No, so
that way. Yeah.
so whatever you want it, good.
Say
Write
it,
your
because
name.
you've come.
Yeah, you want it for her, then good. Tell that you don't mind her win.
you know, in the beginning, they said that Vivian is the Ladla. He was introduced as the Ladla. There are many times, because in the recent past also, you've said multiple times that, you know, they call you to the confession, to Karan,
Yeah, yeah.
that they call you to the confession room and
Yeah.
they guide you. I don't have people to come and guide me,
Yeah.
and, you know, all of that.
Yeah.
And a lot of people who are on the internet, they feel that actually Karan has been given advice from the makers to how to play the game, and that is bettering his game.
Yeah.
Is that you were staying inside?
Yeah.
Was it true that Big Boss used to call? Is it true that Big Boss used to call Karan to the confession room?
See, only once he was called. And that day, I think Big Boss and his friend spoke to him. And apparently, I think the friend is one of the editors. Or
Oh, acha.
I don't
Sandeep
know.
Sikkan.
Yeah, I think he's a part of the team. I don't know. I may
Okay.
be wrong, but I think he works with the team. That's how I don't know. Someone told me that. I may be wrong. Huh? So he was spoken, and after that there was a totally different Karan that we
In
saw.
what way?
In what way? As in, he was never opinionated. Even if his friend would backstab him multiple times, like what Shilpa ma'am did, he was okay. You know, because maybe somewhere he saw this as a game show, and you know we're going to grow out of it. But this was like a lifetime.
Yeah.
Your personality showing up, na. So I think somewhere he was made to realize that, and he was in that growing space. He accepted it, which is very nice. But even after that, for example, when I became the time god, it was the toughest phase for me. So he, out of happiness, he likes me, and so do I. But so us happiness mein he just came and carried me. He was like, Shritika, you won. I was like, yeah. And the moment Big Boss said that, you know, Big Boss always tests you. It's not like he's favoring anyone. He tests your mindset.
Yeah.
So the moment he said, is this the right way that she won the game, Karan? Fat, he dropped me. Yes, Big Boss. So where is your stand? If you feel it was the right way, only then you came in, and you can't, okay, you think over a situation, maybe over and you sleep over it, you wake up and then you say, no, Shrutika, this is wrong. Not immediately after someone tells you, correct. Easily, sometimes when the voice comes, no, I tell him, think, bold, what you feel, tell, no. Why are you always saying, jo kuch bhi hota hai,
Yeah.
Na, to, that is a thing, because they'll try to confuse you. It's not that they're favoring anyone. Big Boss is
Yeah.
not favoring anyone. They'll try to play with your mindset. It
That's
depends
true.
on how you play along.
Yeah, it's a personality
Yeah.
psychological show. But you know, there's this big
Iconic.
thing.
Pakka.
There is this big thing that happened with vis-a-vis Avinash's character assassination. Honestly speaking, I am a staunch feminist. I've not gotten a chance to speak to Kashish, but I really have a few questions to her because I saw those episodes and
Yeah.
I can speak really, really well.
Yeah.
In the other episodes, maybe I have not watched it, so I cannot counter. It's okay to flirt.
Correct.
But I just feel that when a guy does it back, and I'm saying this as a staunch feminist, the whole thing was made out to be like men are like this, and you know, this kind of a man, and he's like this, and
Yeah.
his character is bad, and he was like whatever. You were one of those women who took a stand
Yeah.
for
Avinash.
Avinash, where all the other women actually just swayed by and supported Kashish without knowing ki hua kya tha. Nobody stopped her from actually literally objectifying Avinash and Karan and all these people. If a woman was
In
in the
his
swimming
place.
pool and men passed those comments, there would be
I
a
know.
riot
I know.
online, right?
Yeah.
So I want to know, do you see that? Like, it was called out thankfully on the show, but do you feel like that was unnecessary, the whole Kashish and Avinash, what Kashish did?
It was totally unnecessary. In fact, when Kashish was talking to me about it, me, Sarah and Kashish were talking about it, and when Kashish was saying all this, I said, but he's never even passed an ounce of flirtatious vibe with any of the women in the house, so I don't feel it at all. Then she was like, no, I was flirting, and he was just responding back. But my thing is not that he was saying, let's create an angle for the show.
Yeah.
So initially I said, I bought that fact because I knew that from this side, I've heard only one side of the story. So I said, I bought the fact that not that he's flirtatious. In fact, I told her that he doesn't pass that vibe at all. But I bought the fact that maybe an angle he's trying to tell you to create an angle for the show, because I call him Nautanka. Okay, so much Nautanka. Oh no, you call Nautanki here. I say Nautanka. Okay, like boy, no, you're Nautanka. Yeah. Okay, so much drama for the show, and he says, I want to be an entertainer. He's like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So I was like, if that he's telling you to create an angle for the show, then it's wrong. But when I heard Avinash and when I heard the whole thing, I was like, no, not at all happening. This girl is trying to project that or amplify it to an extent where she gets limelight. And you can't do this for limelight. And in fact, it's better not to have limelight rather than
Yeah.
get this kind of limelight.
Yeah,
You know,
that's true.
and even if you saw the clip, I feel on a scale of 10, if she was flirting 10 on 10, I think this guy was 2 point. He didn't even respond back. You know, if someone would respond back like this to me, I would feel dejected. I was like, please, it's okay. I
And
get,
you
get
know,
your point.
she came across, she kept saying that she's a feminist, but she's also put down Isha, right? She character shamed Isha, where she claimed without any proof that Avinash and Isha are like dating and they are planning to do this. You stayed with them. Do you feel like there is any amount of truth to that, like them dating?
See, they are very fond of each other. Their bond is very cute, and I feel it's somewhere above friendship, but definitely not got into a relationship. And they're very. And you know, Nayan, in that house, when you have no diversion, you have no phone, you have nothing, and when you're getting close to someone on that level, it's very difficult to draw lines.
Yeah.
You tend to become emotionally dependent
Yeah.
on them for everything. So I feel it's somewhere that phase, you know, that they're facing, and there's nothing ugly to it.
Absolutely.
There's not
Purity.
it's,
That's purity.
it's pure, and there's not a time when we have like, okay, we are not supposed to see this. Not a time. In fact, they share the same bed, but it's never like, you know, okay, what are they doing? Never. It's been clean
Yeah.
and it's been cute.
And my last question would be that when we speak about Kashish and Yamini had a conversation about your family member, which is your mom.
Yeah.
And I don't know what conversation you had with Kashish, but Yamini claimed that you and your mom don't get along well and she doesn't agree with any of your life choices, decisions. That is when Kashish came and said that, oh, that makes sense because apparently your mom doesn't meet you at your home and she meets you at a cafe. And then there were comments made about
Oh,
how
it
you
went so deep, is it?
Yes.
Thanks for letting me know.
And then it went to an extent where they claimed that what did Arjun even see in her to marry her? And although Arjun doesn't need her money and she's earning money and she's fending for her mom, they have a house and all, Arjun and all, for you. But please correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is what they said.
I haven't seen it. Arjun told me about this,
Yeah.
but not.
So they said that Arjun has a home of his own, but your mom and dad, your parents apparently stay in like a rented flat
Correct.
for which you pay, and
We
that
don't-
you
I
don't,
don't. Oh,
and then you don't have any like, your mom doesn't really agree with your choices, doesn't meet you, and of course the fact which I told you right now.
Good you told me all this. The same conversation happened with Naira initially, and it was there on live, and it's also there on my page. But that girl took it in such a beautiful way. That's the difference. No, you've seen personalities. Now this, I'll tell you how I told and how it has been projected. So my relationship with my mom has been so pure, so pure. Like my mom, I don't think I can ever get to her level of dedication. Ever. Nayan, she's beautiful. I'm not saying this because she's my mother.
Yeah.
You can't pass by without giving her a second look. She's beautiful, okay? And so many people, she's like that. And she's got the best of offers when it comes to ads in those days itself. Now she's 64.
Yeah.
And she's declined all of them just because I was born. They got married very early. Mom and dad ran away and got married. Okay, yeah.
Wow,
yeah.
lovely.
And mom is 4 years older to dad.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, okay. And Punjabi and Tamil, South Indian, North Indian.
Mom is Punjabi?
Yeah.
Okay, lovely.
Okay, true. She swears by
roots.
being a Punjabi. Yeah.
That's why your Hindi is so good.
Hey, it's good, huh?
Yeah, it is very good.
Oh, good then. So, Mama is like a person who's so dedicated that, you know, she has a timetable right from the age of 1 to 22, I got married, where Monday carrot juice as in, Tuesday apple juice, Wednesday beetroot. So, Monday she won't give me beetroot. It's apple as in apple, carrot stays carrot. So, that paranoid. And when we used to travel, no, she used to get into restaurants and request the chef, can I see you make the juice for my daughter, taki you don't add water. She's on that level, okay, paranoid, and till date, Mama, until the day I got married, has never let me pick a glass of water. She said, "Tu chhod, it's my duty. I will take it. After marriage, you do whatever you want. Shoelace, tu kyun bandh rahi hai? Main bandungi." You know that.
Yeah.
So Kashish got to know about all this only after Yamini left the house. Very late, we started sitting with each other, me and Kashish. So I don't blame her because it was Yamini's point of view. But mama's like that. At the same time, she is a little backward when it comes to a lot of modern things. Like, you know, it's okay for women to work in media. It's okay to leave your child and spend more time, a little more time on yourself. It's okay. For that, I had to sit and convince her and make her understand. And for me, her validation and Arjun's validation, my parents and Arjun are most important. It's okay if I have to give it my fullest, even at this age, to convince them and get their permission. But I will get their
Yeah.
permission and blessing and only then do it. But
Yeah.
I know I can convince them.
Yeah,
Okay,
sweet.
I know that. So I gave it that time and energy to get back into media after so many years, be it the Tamil show or Big Boss. And she's convinced. I'm here.
But
Okay.
does it hurt when
but
they have twisted it like that?
it hurts to another level. To another level, because she is so dedicated, so dedicated. She's not seen her relatives for 23 years because apparently all the weddings happened when we had school. And I said, go na, 2 दिन के लिए हो के आना. No. When you come back from school, you'll search, Mama, ये कहाँ है, वो कहाँ है. So I have to be there to serve you. I say, to another level, no? All this is, and that lady can never be blamed. Yeah, your thoughts may be a little backward, to which it's okay. Everyone learns.
Absolutely, it's fine. If they are a
Yeah.
different generation, they have a different upbringing.
Yeah.
But I want to tell you that you are
Sure.
amazing.
Aw.
And
And my mom is amazing too. You should meet her.
absolutely. I'm pretty sure that your mom is amazing because
And
you
yes,
are an
to-
amazing representation of how she has brought you up.
Thank
If
you.
the upbringing wasn't like this, and I'm saying it on camera because it
Thank
deserves
you.
to be. जहाँ पे नेगेटिविटी होती है ना, बहुत लोग आके बहुत जबरदस्ती और बहुत आवाज उठा के बात करते हैं. जहाँ पे पॉजिटिव होती है उतनी आवाज, उससे ज्यादा आवाज होनी चाहिए. तो मुझे लगता है कि आप बहुत अच्छी इंसान हो
Thank
और मुझे आपका शो पे तो वाइब बहुत ही अच्छा लगा है.
Thank
And when
you
I
so
sat
much.
with you, from the time I met you and I did this interview, I genuinely want to tell you that it is impossible to fake the positive aura that you have. It
Thank
doesn't matter what you're doing if you have a positive aura, and we really feel that. I hope that there's more work coming your way and I get
Thank
to see
you.
you more often.
Thank you. I'm so touched with every line and word that you said. Thank you so much.
Thank
Lots
you.
of love, and I'm still your fan and will always
I
be
am
one.
your fan now.
Fan moment.
Thank you so much for doing this.
Oh,
Thank you.
pleasure always.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Shrutika Arjun here, and you're watching me on Galata India.
South India's #1 travel brand. You know you are special when you're with GT Holidays.